Before we prepare ABC Clothing Company's balance sheet, let's take a moment to understand what this statement represents and why it's so significant. The balance sheet offers a clear picture of a business's financial health by listing its assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. Essentially, this financial statement provides a snapshot of the company's financial position, showing both its economic resources and the claims on those resources. With this understanding, we can now examine the company's 10 transactions within the accounting equation framework to prepare an accurate balance sheet. To start, we'll present the company's assets on the balance sheet in order of liquidity, meaning we'll list them according to how quickly each asset can be converted into cash. In the assets section, under the accounting equation, we'll list cash of $49,800 first, followed by accounts receivable of $20,000, inventory at $2,000, prepaid rent of $6,000, and office supplies at $500. This brings total assets to $78,300. With these assets in place, the balance sheet will appear as follows. Next, we'll display the company's liabilities on the balance sheet, presented in the order of when the obligations are due. In the liability section of the accounting equation, accounts payable of $12,000 will be the sole liability listed. With this liability added, the balance sheet will appear as follows. Finally, we'll complete the balance sheet with the owner's equity section, represented by the ending capital balance of $66,300. This balance is calculated starting with the beginning capital balance of $0, adding owner contributions of $30,000 and net income of $37,800, which comes from subtracting the cost of goods sold $20,000, salaries expense $6,000, and utilities expense $1,200 from sales revenue of $65,000, then subtracting owner withdrawals of $1,500. As a result, total liabilities and equity will equal total assets of $78,300. The completed balance sheet will appear as follows. In the next video, we will prepare the statement of cash flows, the last financial statement for ABC Clothing Company.